Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from substance misuse with SAMHSA beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what substance misuse is. Recognize that it can affect anyone, regardless of age or background. Acknowledge that recovery is possible and that many have successfully navigated this journey. Visit the SAMHSA website for reliable information and resources. Familiarize yourself with the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. Understand their role in promoting behavioral health and supporting recovery. Next, assess your personal situation and identify the substances you are misusing. Reflect on how this misuse impacts your life and relationships. Reach out to a trusted friend or family member for support. Consider seeking professional help if you feel overwhelmed. Research local treatment programs and support groups that are available in your area. Look for services that offer a comprehensive approach, addressing both mental health and substance use. Make a plan to attend regular meetings or therapy sessions. Set realistic goals for your recovery journey. Stay committed to making positive changes in your daily life. Explore coping strategies that work for you, such as mindfulness or exercise. Connect with others in recovery, as shared experiences can be powerful. Remember that setbacks may happen, but they do not mean failure. Reassess your situation and adjust your goals as needed. Utilize SAMHSA's helpline for additional support and guidance. Remain dedicated to your personal growth and well-being. Celebrate small victories in your recovery process. Embrace a healthier lifestyle as you move forward in your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.